She is a little bit difficult cat, so I'm wearing my protection. Alright. Oopsie, oopsie. Oopsie, oopsie, oopsie. Alright. Now let's start it. Good care. Yes. So I do it from here. I don't do it from here. I always do it from side, because if I do it from the front, the cat is going to spit it out more likely. But if I do it from here, automatically the tongue is going down. That's what you want. All right. Now I'm putting her away for 2 hours. Most important is to be safe. Okay, so also last time then she did get food was last night. She has a morning appointment today.